Most people will enter 2026 financially stuck, not because they're lazy, but because they're missing a strategy. Are you one of them? Every year, millions of people tell themselves, "This is it. This is the year I finally save more and earn more." But months pass, life gets in the way, and the bank account stays the same. The difference between those who stay stressed and those who build real wealth isn't luck or talent. It's the systems they put in place. The first step is simple, yet most ignore it: master your cash flow. If you don't tell your money where to go, you'll always wonder where it went. Financial freedom isn't about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. When you track every dollar and give it a purpose, you stop guessing and start leading with clarity. The second step is a shift in mindset. Aggressively increase your income. In 2026, relying on a single paycheck is a massive risk. The digital landscape is overflowing with opportunity, but only for those who take action. Whether it's mastering a high-leverage skill or building a side hustle, your goal is to stop trading 100% of your time for a salary and start building multiple streams of revenue. Step 3 is about discipline, not motivation. Motivation gets you started. Discipline keeps you growing. It's rarely the big mistakes that keep people broke. It's the small, daily habits. Spending to impress people who don't care, ignoring your savings, and choosing short-term comfort over long-term security. When you replace these with intentional habits, you create a foundation that is impossible to shake. Finally, the step that separates the dreamers from the achievers: move from saving to investing. Saving protects you, but it doesn't grow you. If your money is just sitting still, it's losing value to inflation every single day. Whether it's the markets, a business, or your own education, you must put your capital to work. Investing is how you turn your effort into a legacy. When you combine these 4 steps, you stop reacting to your bank account and start designing your future. The question is, will you arrive with the same struggles, or will this be the year your trajectory finally shifts?